Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to electronically transmit CRA tax return using TaxTron web. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Netfile T2. Sign into your account, then click on New Return. Next, select your province, choose a file tag, and click Create. Once the return is created, enter all the required information needed to complete the tax return. After you have finished entering the information, navigate to the Review and File section. Here, you will see the available license options for your tax return. Select the license option that best suits your needs. Then complete the required details to purchase the license. Once your license purchase is complete, scroll down to the section labeled Electronically Send Your File to, and there select CRA. A window will appear asking for your web access code. If you already have a code, simply enter it. If you do not have one, select No, then fill in the required information and click on Get Web Access Code. Your web access code will then be displayed on your screen. If you're not sure how to get a web access code, don't worry, we've already uploaded a step-by-step tutorial on our YouTube channel. You can also find the video link in the description below for easy access. After getting the code, enter it and click Accept. A confirmation window will appear. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Then click File Now, and that's it. Your CRA tax return has been successfully transmitted in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.